What's up, people? Kedrick here. Here to do an unboxing of the Sony A6400. New camera for the YouTube channel. Right at this. So here we have it. The Sony A6400. Got this camera to up the game a little bit on the YouTube channel. So this will be the last video y'all see shot with my cell phone. So hopefully we'll have some improved image quality. All right, so this is a frameless camera, 4K. Take you on a look around the box. This comes with the kit lens, the f3.5 to 5.6. Optical stabilization on it. Comes with gives you what everything comes in the box. But we're going to jump into that. Has 4K HDR, Dolby Vision, and Wi-Fi. Take you on a look around the box on each side. All right, let's get into it. I got this from Amazon. At the time of the recording, I paid $997 for this. So you're first presented with instruction manuals and your chance to win a $1,000 Visa card. Of course not. All right. So you have a power brick, USB Type A. Set that there. Comes with a nice little Sony strap. I'll probably be using this until I get something else. I'll probably end up getting another strap for it, but for the time being, it's cool. Put that here. Comes with one battery. I did purchase 2 additional batteries. Comes with one battery. Then your micro USB. I don't know why everything is not USB Type C at this point, but and your little eye cup, whatever you find it. All right, now let's get to the main attraction, the camera. That's everything that's in the box. Toss that to the side. Now for the camera. Comes with the lens already on it. It has a nice little weight to it, and that's without the battery in it. Let me throw the battery in. Okay. So yeah, it has a nice little weight to it. On the back, we have a dial. So I'm pretty sure I can use this for changing my ISO and my shutter speed and all of that. No dial on the front. Is this a dial? Yeah, there's a dial on the top too. So I do have 2 dials. So that'll be good for changing my settings when I have it set to manual mode. Now this does have a flip out screen, but this screen is a little bit different because it doesn't flip out to the side. Flips to the top like that. So if you're using it in selfie mode, you can't really even see the whole screen. Well, I guess you can. Yeah, so you can see most of the screen. Selfie mode. Well, that's pretty cool. As far as the build qualities, it feels like $1,000. I mean, I'm guessing this is like aluminum. Has a nice weight to it. Doesn't feel cheap at all. Definitely feels like $1,000. All right, so this comes with, like I said, the kit lens, which is a 3.5 to 5.6. I also did get the 1.8 lens, prime lens, 50 millimeter. Cause I just gotta have I gotta have a 50mm lens. I think I paid about $200 for this, so also from Amazon. And also, before I get into the camera, I did end up getting this Comica V30 shotgun mic. I may do a review on this, see how it sounds. If anybody interested in getting one of these. I watched a couple of reviews on it and they said it was pretty good, so decided to check it out. All right, so has the hot shoe on the top. Has a little cover on it. A lot of people were saying it was a bad design because when you flip the screen up, it'll be pretty much blocking if you put a mic here. So I did end up having to buy a cage. Yeah, I think this is it right here. So I ended up buying this cage. And yeah, so got this cage so I can just throw the camera in here. I guess some kind of way like this. And then I'll have a hot shoe here and a hot shoe there. So it will be out the way. But that's pretty much the camera. I will be doing a review of this. But right now this is just the unboxing. Let me power it on real quick. See if the battery has any charge on it. Yeah, so it looks like the battery doesn't have a charge. I do have let me try one of the other batteries. Okay, so this one looks like it has a charge. So yeah, there it goes. So the screen is a touch screen, but not for the menu. You can touch it to focus on your target, but not to navigate the menu. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this set up and see what kind of pictures and videos it takes. And I'll catch y'all next time for the full review. Thanks for watching. Hit the like, subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time. Peace out.